In this video, we will compare Cornix and 3Commas. Cornix are both top crypto trading pods, but they see to different types of trading. Trading Cornix is designed for Telegram-based automated trading, allowing users to follow the signals and execute trades directly from Telegram groups. It's best for traders who rely on signal providers and want hands-free experience without needing to manage trades manually. On the other hand, 3Commas offer a more advanced trading experience with features like Smart Trade DCA bots and CR bots. It integrates with major exchanges and provides detailed trading customization, making it ideal for traders who want more control over their strategies. If you prefer signal-based trading but integrated with Telegram, Cornix is the best choice. But if you need a more comprehensive platform with advanced trading tools, Trias is the best way to go, in my opinion. 3Commas is better for experienced trader, while Cornix is great for those who rely on trading signals. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.